So what's going on, guys? In today's video, I got one of these things. Let's just take it out of the box. So this is for the truck. This is not gonna fix the truck. I need to figure out what's wrong with the truck because if they told me, I took the alternator to this place, to a mom and papa's place, and they told me that the alternator was good. I checked the coil pack and it was good, but there's a way to take it off and check it with the ohmmeter. I'm probably gonna do that later on, but right now I gotta go help my dad with storage. So I am going to the storage in my truck and taking everything out, cleaning the storage out. And it's been dying on me. And I would have to, I called my sister one time that day that I told you that it stopped. That day getting a Christmas tree, I think, filmed a video. Is it stuck or what? Oh, it is stuck. It has to be ripped open. No, it doesn't. I was almost gonna rip it open. That's cool. It's brand new. Oh. Whoa. Well, that's pretty cool. 1 year warranty. They should give you more years. What does that mean? It's gonna mess up in a year probably. It is a battery, so. I think sometimes people honk, like they don't. I guess they don't have like a revving engine, so they honk. You know, so funny. But what does it come with? Whoa. Huh. I wonder why that's like that. I think it's just for presentation. Would it not be good too? Let them touch or what? Oh wow, these are strong as hell. This black one is strong. It's stronger though. Wow, those are strong. Yeah, it's just trash. Bag? What the hell? Since 1914. Oh yeah, I was looking like 1914. And what did I see that I was like? It's from United Kingdom. Shit, I bet you the World War I and II were using this stuff because this was in 1914. So they were using this kind of stuff in the war. Batteries for I don't know what though. But I don't know. Amsterdam. Alright. Wow, big old bag. What, I put it in the bag? What is this? Out, 12 volts. Oh, okay, that's where that connects. I'm gonna go charge this inside. I think, yeah, you gotta charge it on the charger. Out. So I think I charge it through there. Damn, this big ass book. I don't know if you know this, guys, but there's phones that you buy brand new that come with this book like this. You guys don't read this, right? Okay. If you ever do read those books that come with the phones, it'll tell you to keep that phone 10 to maybe even 15 feet away from you. The cell phone, because it can give you cancer to your balls, to women's ovaries, you know, prostate cancer. So you want to You don't want the phones inside your charger, inside your pants, just there. So how the hell do I gotta figure out how to charge it? I guess I'll get me a USB charger for the phone and charge it like that. To the wall to this, right? Or to the wall to this part. Or I could use this to charge it probably. Oh, that's so cool. It could be like that when oh, that's SOS. That's SOS, guys. If you want to know how to do SOS, it's boom, 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 short, boom, 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 and then like long, like 2 fast ones of 3, and then the last one's long. Well, that's cool. So there's bright, low, lower, and then SOS. Cool. Alright then. I'm gonna go charge it inside so it can be fully charged. And what? Everything goes in here. Even this too. Keep that there in the back of my truck. Throw this book in there too. But yeah, that was just a little like thing, like to let you guys know, like that's what those books are. They put in the small. No one's gonna read the small print. That's why I always tell you guys read the small print and stuff, because shit can give you. Like my uncle used to say, everything's gonna give you cancer, Richard. It's just that you gotta know how to deal with it, and like don't keep it around you. It's not like you're gonna sleep with this thing. You know what I'm saying? The phone, keep it away from you. Don't keep it next to your fucking dresser that's, or your end table that's like what, a foot away from your head. Yeah, the end table, little drawer. So yeah, don't keep that stuff next to your head. And what else? I guess that's it, guys. I'm gonna go charge it inside. I don't think it tells me. I think you just plug it into the wall. Manual, override, disable all safety measures when you using. Oh, what the hell? Where's the English? It's all these other languages. There we go. Oh, it's French. I think English is the first one. Yeah, it is. And that's all I get up to here. No instructions, huh? Self-explanatory. Well, alright then. Throw that away. You could keep it in the box real cool, but if you have like stuff that's gonna like smack this stuff, yeah, you put it in your box. But if for me, it's fine. Oh man, they should have put like a little drawstring right here. And I was looking for it. I went to the top to see. Maybe I can get an old one from somewhere. Put it on there and then go. Shh. That'd be cool. A red one, a real cool shiny red one. But there it is. Yeah, you're gonna give a bag like this. Make sure you put that on there. Like, what kind of shit is that? That's some lame. That's the most stupidest shit ever. Why would you not put a thing on it like that? Because you know how much it's gonna cost them to. That little piece of plastic is gonna cost them so much money, and the owner of it didn't want to spend the money. So he's like, I'm gonna go design it there in my factory, and then I'm gonna go to Malaysia. Like I was telling you guys, He probably went to Malaysia and said, "Hey, can you make this for me? I want quality work. Let me see your quality work on battery stuff." And they show him, and he's like, "Oh, okay, okay, okay. Well, this is what I made in the U.S., but it's too expensive. I need you to make it here." They're gonna be like, "Yeah, I got you." So, you know. And how much is plastic? Oh, that's gonna be like $1. And there's a like, how much do you think he made of these 50,000 units, 100,000 units to sell? Yeah, it's gonna be like $100,000 for him, probably, or 50 cents or a penny to make that thing. That sucks. I'm gonna have to find one now and put one, because that blows, dude. Or do a knot, like, for now. Yeah, that's better than nothing. Probably what they want you to do. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, do I recommend it? We'll see you on the next video when I'm using it. Because remember, I just said my truck, the alternator is working, but I'll charge the battery. So I think a ground or something on the truck is draining the battery, and it probably is a ground because I can't figure it out. And it's wiring stuff, and that's kind of like, oof, you know, that shit you don't want to fuck with too much because it can start fires and shit. And yeah, but thanks for watching, guys. Peace.